What's up guys, Aaron here, back with another video. In today's video we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Canon EOS R, so stick around. Welcome back and let's get straight into the unboxing. So as you can see on the top of the box we have a R, and opening up the lid on the box for the very first time we're presented with a little bit of literature, along with a wall adapter, the battery itself, and a neck strap, which does say EOS R. And before I get hit in the comments section, it is the proper way to pronounce the camera's name, the EOS R, not EOS R. After removing the camera body from the packaging, I have to say that it feels extremely solid and very nice in the hand. Taking a closer look at the top of the camera, on the far left is where you connect the neck strap. We have an on-off button as well as a microphone. On the immediate top of the camera is a hot shoe. We have our display, our mode button, our light button, our lock, as well as our record button and shutter button. On the back is our mode button, as well as our programmable touch bar. We also have our fully articulating screen, our viewfinder, as well as the info button, our autofocus on button, as well as our trash can, our playback button, and on the bottom is our tripod connection. And on the front is our full frame RF mount. And we will get into all the specific buttons and their functionality in a different review video. Here's a closer look at the 3.15-inch tilt angle touchscreen that's 2,100,000 dots, and also features a 5,655 point autofocus system. We also get 4K video recording at 30 frames per second, and we have a 30.3 megapixel full frame CMOS sensor. I also purchased the RF to EF mount that I will be showing in the full review video, so if you are interested in checking out that video where I will be doing a 10 to 20 minute in-depth review of the Canon EOS R, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss that content. I'm really interested to put this camera to the test and see what it can do. So I'm currently filming on the Canon 80D, so we will see a significant upgrade in my future videos. If you're interested in further information, pricing, and availability, all relevant links will be located down on the video description. As I mentioned earlier, my name is Aaron, and I'll see you guys on the next one.